Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a very difficult wetland bird to spot in Sri Lanka. The watercock. The watercock is a water bird in the Râle and crête family. Large, distinctive marsh dweller, elusive and often difficult to see in the heavily vegetated wet fields and marshes it inhabits. It is widely distributed across South and Southeast Asia. Male is unmistakable with black body, brown edged ring coverts and red and yellow bill with raised spiky red frontal shield. Females and immatures are similarly large but speckled brown above with tan face and lacks male's frontal shield. Males are very vocal during breeding season, producing liquid-sounding gulps comparable to a water bottle emptying. Their calls are like locally named Kora. I have not seen the watercock. If I ever get to see one, I would consider myself to be very lucky. One such place you could possibly see them is the Guiana Wetland Park in Colombo. It is a vast water park where you can see many wetland birds and other birds in a short period of time.